Okay, so tonight the students are going to bring home their long division scoot game. And in this game, the students will have the game board, they will have 2 dice, and they will have 2 counters. In this video, the students are using whiteboards and markers to do their work, but when they are at home, they will need to use either pencils and paper, something like that, to show their work. So Kiefer and Caroline are going to show you how to play this game. Kiefer, would you like to start?
Sure. So you decide between the other person which color marker you're going to do. So say that I'm yellow and Caroline's red. And then after you decide that, you decide who goes first. So say that I go first. So you both put your markers on start, and then you roll the dice. And how any board game works, you go how many you roll the dice. So I rolled 10, and it doesn't just work with how you roll. With the dice aren't just for what you roll, for how you move. It's also the number that you multiply. So I landed on 72. So my problem is 72 divided by 10. So what it goes like is I divide 10 by 7. I can't do that, so I have to do 10 divided by 72.
Or 72 divided by 10.
Yeah. Which equals 70, and then there's the remainder too, and I can't bring anything down, so then that's just the problem.
Okay, well, let's hold on for just a second. Can you erase that answer at the top, Kiefer? Let's show them how to do long division, though, with that problem. So, Kiefer, 10 goes into 72 how many times?
7 times.
So where would you put the 7 in that? It should be over the 2 because 10 is going into 72 7 times. Not.
I always make that mistake.
That's okay. Now, the song says divide, then multiply. So you're going to multiply. Hold on, you haven't done your long division yet. Good. So let's multiply. So the song or the rap that we've learned says divide, multiply, and subtract. So let's multiply.
7 times 10 is 70. So I bring this down here. So then it goes divide, multiply, and subtract. So you can't do 7 minus 70. So you do 72 minus 70.
Okay.
Equals 2.
Okay, can you bring anything else down?
No.
So what is your answer?
My answer is 7, remainder 2.
Perfect. And so you got the same answer as kind of what you had before. It should have been 7, remainder 2. And you and now you show them some long division. So before Kiefer is finished with his answer, Caroline has to check his answer, and if he's correct, then he gets to stay. If he's not correct, he's going to have to go back 10. So Caroline, show them how you would check his answer.
You would put the answer that he did.
So why don't you do 10 times 7 first? There you go, the bigger number first.
And that's
7 times 0 is, remember to always start in your ones column.
That's 0.
Okay, and 7 times 1 is?
7.
And now we have to add his remainder. So what is the remainder?
2.
So 0 plus 2 is?
2.
And 7 plus nothing is?
7.
Perfect. Now, is that the same answer that he landed on when he did his turn to start with?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So that means that Kiefer can stay. So now let's do one example of Caroline's turn, and Kiefer will then check her answer. So Caroline, it's your turn. You rolled an 8.
So 8 times 8 divided by 126.
Perfect. So can 8 go into 1, Caroline?
No.
Can 8 go into 12?
Yes.
How many times?
once.
Very good. So where do you put that 1? Right up
2.
above the 2. Very good. So our song says divide, multiply, and subtract. So when you've divided, so what comes next?
You're going to multiply
Yep, perfect.
1 and 8, and that's 8.
Good. And so now you have to
Subtract.
So 12 minus 8 is?
8.
Ooh, try that again. What is 12 minus 8?
4.
Perfect. Now the song says divide, multiply, and subtract. Now what? What comes after the next part?
Bring it on down.
Bring it on down. So now we must start the song over and divide. 46 divided by 8.
That's 4.
Close. Try
Oh,
again.
wait, no, that's 5.
5. Perfect. So where would you put your 5? Try again.
Oh.
Perfect. So divide, now multiply.
So 5 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40.
Okay.
So then you're going to put 40 right down.
Good. So you've multiplied. Now it's
yeah.
time to subtract.
Yeah, now you're going to subtract 46 and 40. So 4 minus
6 minus 0. Start in the ones column.
6 minus 0 is 6, and then 4 minus 4 is 0.
So your answer to 126 divided by 8 is?
15 remainder 6.
Okay, now Kiefer, you have the job of checking her answer. So he's going to take the biggest number.
So 15 times 8. So 5 times 8, that's 40. So 0, I'm going to carry my 4. That 1 times nothing is 1.
Let's do 8 times. Remember, we're going to go back to the 8.
Yeah, back to the 8. 1 times 8 is 8 plus 4, that's 12. That equals, so that's 120.
Now am I done?
Nope, we need to add her remainder. And after that, we put the 6, we add the 6 right there, so 0 plus 6 equals 6. 2 plus nothing equals 2, and then 1 plus nothing equals 1. So she got it correct. Her answer is 100. Her answer is 15, remainder 6.
Very good. Okay, and so as students are doing this game, you'll see that it not only assesses long division, but as they check their answer, it's going to assess the multiplication. It also works on addition with regrouping and subtraction with borrowing. So hopefully you get a chance to practice this game at least once or twice over the long weekend. If you have questions about the game, you can email me, text me, or call me. I hope you enjoy practicing. Thank you so much for your help. Bye-bye.